Don't hit an ATM when you go to any sporting event.
Yeah.
Just get cash before you go.
Maybe on your way home from work, you stop at the bank machine, and you go home. You grab your booze, put it in your thermos, and smuggle it into the game.
Whoa, I'm not recommending that.
I would never do that, but I'm saying if you do that, that's probably better than lining up at the new stadium.
And bring some fresh fruit with you.
Some fresh fruit, maybe an apple, a banana, maybe an orange.
Game 1 of the Stanley Cup Final. You know what? It ended. The start of the show, it's called the headlines. When we say what's coming up, like, oh, great stuff. Game 1, Stanley Cup Final.
What, is this a monster truck rally?
Those are called headlines. While headlines were rolling, they scored the winner in triple overtime.
Yes. So now my understanding, Dan, is that James Dothie and the NHL on TSN panel are ready to go with their assessment of the triple overtime win by the Chicago Blackhawks. James?